ourselves. Yes, we can carry it. Ilẹ̀ yìí ti wá ní. We own Nigeria. We the Northerners can carry this country and we will move it forward. Let's do it. Though we have diverse tribes, states, and cultures, we are one. Our diversity isn't our weakness. Our diversity is our strength. United we stand, divided we fall.